Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Now, I typically do not start my videos off with a finished makeup look. I've had a number of things happen where I kind of had to start it off this way. It's just been a thing. I've been trying to figure out how I wanted to do this look with these shades and just been kind of struggling, but I got there. So anyway, with that aside, today I am doing a face-off collab with Tara Lee George and Annette's Makeup Corner. I am super excited to be doing this collab with both of these ladies. They are extremely talented and a lot of fun to watch here on YouTube. Tara is somebody who is new to me. I have not watched all of her videos, but I've watched a lot of them, and I absolutely enjoy the crystal one she's doing, where she's taking the crystals she has in her collection as well as like different eyeshadow palettes and things and creating a look based on those crystals. Her looks are turning out beautifully. I also love her collab with 90s Love Child here on YouTube. I'm just like, ooh, you got to collab with her? That's so cool. I really do like how everything turned out there. She is a wonderful person. I do highly recommend going to check her out after watching this video, of course. Please go check her out. And then we have Annette, who I adore. I am so glad I have met Annette here on YouTube. I've gotten to know her quite a bit here and there. We chat sometimes on Instagram, but I just have to say a huge thank you to Annette, because she kept the Face Off series going when I had to kind of take my mini hiatus from YouTube. She kept doing face-offs with different people and things, and I've watched so many of her face-off collabs, and I am just super grateful that she went ahead and continued the face-off challenge with a whole bunch of other people. I don't think it would have continued past what it was had she not kind of taken up that mantle for me. So I am very grateful to her, and I highly recommend going to check out her channel. She does amazing colorful looks and all kinds of other things, and if you're not watching her, I don't know what you're doing. Her channel and her video will be linked down below. So as I said, we are going to be doing a face-off collab. We are going to be using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette here. I am so excited to play with the shades that we randomly picked. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. I'll show them and then I'll swatch them so you guys can see. So if you haven't, this is what the palette looks like. It is a beautiful rainbow pastel-y, just a very different kind of color story from a typical rainbow palette. But the first shade we have here is this one right here that I lovingly call Duck, because I will not say the other word on my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that right here. That is what that beautiful kind of pinky orangey shade looks like. It's very pretty. It's very vibrant also. The next shade that I'm going to swatch is this one right here. It is Orange Juice. It is a very vibrant orange metallic kind of shade. That is what that one looks like there. I love these two together. I just think they look so pretty. The next shade we got is Sour, this beautiful green right here. Go ahead and swatch it on my hand. And there it is. There's something like so summery about those three shades right next to each other. Then we have Cotton Candy, which is this beautiful pink shade. Absolutely love it. And I mean, it is pink. Oh, aren't those shades just fun? And then this final shade I would say is the Curveball shade. It is this one right here that is called Delicious. It is a navy blue and was one that I kind of had a hard time deciding what I was going to do with it. So there is the color story that we got to work with today. I am super excited to see what both Tara and Annette create. I cannot wait to watch their videos, and I do hope that you will go and check out their videos to see how they worked with this color story right here. Please go check them out after you watch mine. And if you are from their channels, thank you so much for stopping by. I am so glad that you came to visit my little small sliver of YouTube. It really does mean a lot. Well, without further ado, I will show you how I got this look. Okay, so I don't typically film this way, but today I did one eye completely off of camera and I'm going to recreate the same look on the other eye. Wish me luck. I am super excited to be playing with this palette because I don't typically play with it that often. I also wanted to let you guys know that I hope my audio quality is okay. I'm recording on 2 different mics right now to see which one's better. Yeah, so cross our fingers things work out. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is prime my eye with my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in Halo. I'm just gonna pop some of this onto my eye. That probably was way too much. Probably way too much. So I've tried to film this like 4 different times now. This is number 5. And for whatever reason, it was just not working. Either my lighting would be way off and you couldn't see it, or my camera settings, or my audio. And I was just like, what is going on? But I think I have it figured out. Cross our fingers. Anyway, enough of that. The first shade I'm going to go into is going to be Delicious right here. And I'm going to pop this on the outer corner of my eye. If you do see a different mirror as I'm doing this, I'm just using that specifically for the mirror. I meant a different palette, not a different mirror. But yeah, I was super excited when Annette asked me if I wanted to do a face-off collab using this palette, as well as facing off with a newer with somebody who has a newer channel to me. I was like, yes, let's do this. Because I absolutely love doing these face-off videos, and I love it because it's helped me meet a lot of other YouTubers and just it's been a blast, kind of. It's been a blast just meeting newer people to me, things like that. So I'm using an angled brush. I don't know if I mentioned that, but this is an angled brush. And I'm going in and I'm just kind of placing it. I'm not gonna worry about blending it out too much just yet. Then I'm going to go into the shade Sour here. I love this green shade, you guys. So pretty. It's like a pastel. It's in between like a pastel green and not a pastel green. I don't know if that made sense. It's in between a pastel green and not a pastel green, Danielle. And I do take this up pretty far. So I just kind of like place it and then kind of blend it. And then once I'm done placing it, I'm just going to take this brush right here. It doesn't have anything on it. Well, it does from the last time I used it, but it's just this green and this blue. And I'm just kind of using it to soften that edge between the 2 shades. Okay, so once that is done, the next shade I'm going to go into is this one that I like to lovingly call Duck. And I'm going to place that next to the blue and the green in the inner part of my eye. And not quite on, well, I'm also going to take it a little bit over to the lid because I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a bit of a halo eye on this eye. So then I literally pop this on, and then I'm going to kind of tap it over the other and kind of work it here. I also get it just a little bit into my inner corner. And then just ever so slightly placing it like that. Then I'm going to take that blending brush again, and I am just going to kind of soften everything between there. And I'm kind of blending that, like that pinky orangey shade together with the blue. I am going to, in a little bit, take a little bit more of the blue shade and just kind of intensify that before I go in with the orange shade on my lid. So I'm just, again, taking that angled brush and just kind of popping that on there. Then going back in with this and just blending everything together. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the shade. Now I'm going to go into the shade Orange Juice right here. And I'm just going to be taking this on a flat brush. I'm also going to spray this with some Mario Badescu spray. Just kind of spray it there. And now we're gonna now I'm gonna go in and kind of create that halo effect. And I'm not putting any concealer or anything down because I didn't feel like doing it today. Okay, so once I have that where I want it, I'm gonna go in a little bit more with the blue, or the brush that had that blue shade on it, as well as a little bit of the pink. And just kind of get everything the way I want it. I'm not too concerned because a little bit of that orange shade is going to kind of pop up on the rest. The next shade I'm going to go into is Cotton Candy. That pink shade, this is going to go into my inner corner. And I'm actually taking this on a little lip brush. I'm just going to pop it, but I'm also going to extend it a little bit, and then I'm going to take it down quite a bit on my lower lash line. Kind of blend everything there. And then just to finish off the lower lash line, I'm going to take a little bit more of the Blue Delicious shade, and I'm going to place that along the other edge. I just went ahead and cleaned up everything with a makeup wipe. I'm going to go ahead and do my winged liner, kind of similar to this, hopefully. Cross our fingers. And just so you guys know, I will have everything listed in the description box below. Yay, it worked out. The next thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of my Inglot eyeliner. This is number 86, the green shade. And I'm going to take this on a small liner brush because I'm going to pop it right into my waterline. Okay. And for the final touch, I'm going to take my IT Superhero Mascara and I'm going to pop that onto my upper lashes. I really do like how colorful this look is compared to like other ones I've done. Like this is a very kind of different look. To finish this look off, I'm going to go in with the Sephora LipStories in Spring Break, and that is what this looks like right here. I'm just going to pop that on to my lips. And there you are. There is the final look. You guys will have to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Please go check out Tara and Annette's channels as well as their videos. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box, as well as everything that I used here on my face today. Please give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already, and if you are from either of Tara or Annette's channels, hello, welcome. I'm so glad that you stopped by and watch this video. Please subscribe. I am trying to reach 1,500 subscribers by the end of the year. That is my own personal goal, and I would love it if you would join me here on my channel. And if you guys stopped over here from Annette or Tara's channel, thank you guys so much. I would love it if you guys would subscribe and join me here on my channel to watch more videos like this, plus a whole bunch of other different things. And I do hope that I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you again, and bye!